guys, once again a very warm welcome to all of you. So today we will start from question number 9. So let's see what question number 9 tells. So this is the question number 9. So in question number 9 it is told that in the adjacent diagram, that means the diagram you can see in your left hand side, that angle A it is given 45 degree, angle C it is given 30 degree, and the length of AC it is given 1 meter, and AB and BC we don't know, but its length we know. The total length of AC we know, but AB and BC we don't know. So our first work will be to find AB and BC, and then it is told to find BD, where B is the right angle. So B is 90 degree and BD is told to find, it means the height. So at first let us take BD as H. So because it is told height, so let's take BD as H. Let's see in the board. Okay, so you can see that I have drawn the figure on the board. Now see in the question it is told that take root 3 as 1.732. This is, we will see later what is the use of this. Now see from here BD we don't know, so BD let us take height. So see in both the triangle BD is considered to be the height, or you can say the perpendicular. So let BD is equals to H meters. Let BD is equals to H meters. So we have taken BD as H. Okay, now see BD by AB means perpendicular by base, BD by AB. So in triangle you have to write in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD it is ABD, sorry, it is ABD. So in triangle ABD, ABD. So in triangle ABD, BD by AB, BD by AB is equals to, see, perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base means tan 45 degree, it is given. Now see BD we have taken H, and AB we don't know. I have told that we have to find AB and BC. AB and BC have to find, and its length is given 1 meter, complete length. So H by AB is equals to tan 45 degree means 1. Therefore AB is equals to H. So AB we have got H. Now BC, same in this triangle you have to find, that means in triangle BDC. So in triangle BDC, we will get same BD by BC. BD by BC is equals to tan 30 degree. So BD we have taken H by BC is equals to tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3. So BC is equals to root 3H. BC is equals to root 3H. So BC we have got root 3H. Now see from here, from this AC we have to make an equation in such a way that from there we can find the value of H. Then only we have found BD, the height of BD. So now see how to make the equation. See here it is given AC is equals to 1 meter. No, it is given AC is equals to 1 meter. So AC can be written as AB plus BC. AC can be written as AB plus BC. So AC means AB plus BC is equals to 1 meter. So AB plus BC is equals to 1 meter. Now see AB we have found H. So here write H, plus BC we have found root 3H. Root 3H is equals to 1. Now see from here we can take H common. So if we take H common we will get 1 plus root 3 is equals to 1. Therefore H is equals to 1 by 1 plus root 3. Now we have to rationalize the denominator, because the denominator root is there. So multiply, I will do 1 minus root 3 and up 1 minus root 3. So from here I will get 1 minus root 3 by 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 equals to 1 minus root 3. It means if you solve this, you will get 1 minus 1.732 divided by minus 2. Now see, by solving 1 minus 1.732, you will get 0.732 divided by minus, you will get at first, and minus 2. So minus and minus will cancel. From here you will get 0.366. It is meter, but if you see in the answer it is given in centimeters, so you can keep it up to this only, or if you convert it to centimeter then you will get 36.6 centimeter. So this is our solution. is equals to tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3. So BC is equals to 6 root 3 by root 3. So root 3 and root 3 will cancel. So here we will get 6 centimeter. Therefore BC we have got 6 centimeter. Now here is the problem, that is CD. We can't find CD in any of these triangles. So at first we have to find AC, the length of AC. From there, if we subtract the length of AD, we will get CD. So now see how to find the length of AC. So see, in triangle, the big triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we can find that this is the hypotenuse, so perpendicular, and this is the BC. So see, as we have taken here sec, so let's do this by sec theta only. See here what we do, AB by AD, that means AB, this is the hypotenuse, and AD means base. So here AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the base. AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the base. So AC we don't know. Don't think that 9 cm is AC. No, 9 cm is only for AD. So AC we don't know. So AC by AB we will do AC by AC by AB is equals to sec 30 degree. Now see, AC we have to find. So AC by AB we know 6 root 3 is equals to sec 30 degree means 2 by root 3. So from here we will get 12 root 3 by root 3 means cross multiplication is 6 root 3 will go up. So 6 into 2 means 12 root 3 by root 3. So 12 root 3 by root 3, and this will cancel, we will get 12 centimeter. Therefore we have got AC, that means the full length, this AC we have got 12 centimeter. Now what will be DC? So DC or CD will be AC minus AD. So CD will be AC minus AD. So AC we have got 12 minus AD is given 9, that is equals to 3 centimeter. This is the solution. Now let's move to the next solution. Now let's see what question number 10 tells. So question number tells us that in the adjacent diagram, so in the adjacent diagram you can see in the left hand side, in the right hand side. So it is given, find the length of AB, BC and CD. So AB, the line AB, BC and CD. So these three lengths you have to find out. Okay, and see here it is given that angle 8 is 30 degree. DA means or AT it is given 9 centimeter, and in right angle triangle ADB, angle D is right angle, and in the complete figure angle B is the right angle. So let's see how to solve this sum. Very easy sum and it's very interesting also. Let's see how to do this. So I have drawn the figure on the board. Now see, from here it is told to find AB. So see, AB, BC and DC, these three lines it is told to find. Now how to find? See, AB in this small triangle, this means triangle ADB. So in triangle ADB, see, we can write that AB by AD, that is AB by AD. AB is what? See, this one is the right angle. The right angle opposite side is AB, so AB is the hypotenuse, and this is the base, and this is the perpendicular. So this is hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse by base is equals to sec theta. So in place of theta we will write 30 degree. So sec 30 degree. Now see, AB we have to find. So AB by AD we know 9 is equals to sec 30 degree means 2 by root 3. Now see, AB is equals to 9, cross multiplication you will get 18 by root 3. Now if you do rationalization you will get 18 by root 3 by root 3. So from here I will get 18 root 3 by 3, 6. So here I will get 6 root 3 centimeter. Therefore we have got AB as 6 root 3 centimeter. This is the AB. Now see, if we have found AB, so BC is very easy. See, in the big triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, see, this is the perpendicular and this is the base. Why? See, here is the right angle, so this is the hypotenuse. So this perpendicular by base means BC by AB is equals to tan theta. So in place of theta we will do 30 degree. So BC by AB. So AB we have found 6 root 3 is equal. Question number 11 tells, in the adjacent diagram in the RHS you can see right hand side. So it is given that ABCD is a rectangle. It is clearly visible that ABCD is in the form of a rectangle. Now see, BE is given 4 centimeter. Okay, so at first you have to find CE, because you see in the question it is told find the area of the rectangle. So to find area of the rectangle, so what is the formula of area of rectangle? It is length into breadth. Lower classes we did, in higher classes also we will do length into breadth. So length we don't know. See, length and breadth we don't know. So at first we have to find length. That means BC is the length. So if we find BC, then we will find AD also, because BC is and AD are equal, as it is a rectangle. The properties of rectangle tells that opposite sides are equal. So if we find BC, the length of BC, then we will find the length of AD also. And if we find AB or DC, then DC will be equal to AB, because opposite sides are equal. Now see, from here 6 centimeter it is given, it is DE. DE is 6 centimeter and CED means angle E, it is given 60 degree. Now see, CD and AB are breadth and BC and AD are length. So we have to find BC and AD, DC and AB. Then only we can solve the sum. By putting length into breadth, putting the value of length and putting the value of breadth, we can find easily. Now let's see how to find the sides. So see, I have drawn the figure. Now see, from here we have to find, A, B, C, D, deciding E is given in the book. Yes, this is E. Now see, from here BE we know 4 centimeter. Then what will be CE? See, in this right angle triangle, angle C is right angle. Angle C is right angle. So if angle C is right angle, then CE is the base, DE is the hypotenuse, and DC is the perpendicular. So see here, hypotenuse is given, we have to find base. So base by hypotenuse is cos. So we have to write as EC by DE is equals to cos. So cos theta inverse 60 degree. So EC by DE, DE means 6 is equals to 1 by 2, is cos 60 degree. So EC is equals to 6 by 2 means 3. That means EC is equals to 3 centimeter. See, EC is equals to 3 centimeter. Therefore BC will be therefore BC will be see BE plus CE, BE plus CE. So BE means 4 plus CE means 3. So 4 plus 3, 7 centimeter. Now this complete length means BC we have found 7 centimeter. Okay, complete. Now see, if BC is 7 centimeter, then AD will be also 7 centimeter. BC is equals to AD is equals to 7 centimeter. See, BC is 7 centimeter, then AD will be also 7 centimeter, because it is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So we write opposite sides are equal. Sides are equal because it is a rectangle. Okay, reason you will write. Now see, we have to find DC. Same we have to find, see, DC is a perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, I mean DC by hypotenuse is given DE is equal to sine 60 degree. Now DC we have to find, DC by DE is given 6, and sine 60 degree means root 3 by 2. So here we will get 6 root 3 by 2, that means 3 root 3 centimeter. Okay, so DC we have got 3 root 3 centimeter. Now see, if we find DC, then AB will be also 3 root 3 centimeter. Therefore DC is equals to AB is equals to 3 root 3 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Now see, we have found everything. Just it is left to find the area of the rectangle. See, length we know. Length means BC we know. BC we have found 7 centimeter, and DC is 3 root 3 centimeter. Now area will be length into breadth. So length is 7 into breadth is 3 root 3. So 7 multiply 3 root 3 means 3 multiply 1.732. So 7 multiply 5196 and here it is 1 point. So after multiplying we will get 30, means the answer what is given, you see 36.372 centimeter square. This is the answer. After multiplying we will get this only, means 5.196 multiplied by 7 we will get 36.372 centimeter square. Don't forget to write centimeter square because we are finding the area. Okay, so this is the solution. Done. Let's move to the next solution. Question number 12 tells. So question number 12 said that ABCD is a rhombus whose each side is 5 centimeter. So each side it is given as AB, BC, CD and AD. All sides are equal to 5 centimeter. Angle A is equal to 60 degree. Find the lengths of its diagonals. Diagonals means see AC. AC is the diagonal and BD is the diagonal. So AC and BD it is told to find. How to find? Let's see. So see, it is given that angle A means complete angle, it is given 60 degree. This complete angle it is given 60 degree and each side it is given 5. Each side it is given 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Now see how to find this AC and BD respectively. Let's see. So from here you see this triangle, this AEB, from this we can find BE and AE. That means if we find BE, then BE will be equal to DE and BE plus DE will be equal to BD. We have found one. Second, AE if we find, then AE will be equal to CE. So AE plus CE will be equal to AC. That means our main work at first is to find BE and AE respectively. How to find? Let's see. Now see, here is a problem, that is angle A. That means this complete angle. This angle A is given 60 degree, but if I take this triangle, this is a 90 degree. This triangle, then we must know what this angle is. That means angle DAB it is given 60 degree, but we don't know what is angle BAE or EAB. This angle, this small angle, this, not this complete, this small. So to find this, how to find? See here, angle BAE is equal to, see, BAE is half of angle DAB, these complete angles, and this is making the angle half, this line AC. So this and this are divided in two parts. So BAE, that means BAE will be equal to half of angle DAB is equals to half of angle DAB. That means half into 60 degree. That means it will give 30 degree. That means BAE, that means this part we got 30 degree. This part, this small part. So here it is very easy. Now see, from here we have to find BE. How to find BE or D or AE, anyone? So BE, see, this is the hypotenuse and this is the base and this is the perpendicular. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means BE by AB. So BE is perpendicular and AB is hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, it is equal to sine 30 degree. We have found 30 degree. Now BE by AB we know 5 is equal to sine 30 degree, means 1 by 2. So from here you will get 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 means 2.5 centimeter. Therefore see, BE we have got 2.5 centimeter. So BE will be equals to DE. So BE is equals to DE is equals to 2.5 centimeter. Therefore it is told to find BD. It is told to find BD. How to find BD? So BD is equals to BE plus DE is equals to 2.5 plus 2.5 is equals to 5 centimeter. Therefore we have found that for the length of first diagonal, that is BD is equals to 5 centimeter. Now see, from here we have to find AE also in same way. So AE is the base by hypotenuse. So base is AE by hypotenuse, that is AB. So base by hypotenuse means cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree. Now AE by AB. See, AB it is 5 is equals to root 3 by 2. From here you get 5 root 3 by 2. Now from here, after multiplying, we will get 5 multiply 1.732 divided by 2. Now after solving this, you will get 4.33 centimeter. Therefore AE is equals to 4.33 centimeter, and AE, see here, AE is 4.33 centimeter, so CE will be also 4.33 centimeter. So AE is equals to CE is equals to 4.33 centimeter. Therefore AC, in the diagonal AC, is equals to AE plus CE, that is equals to 4.33 plus 4.33 is equals to 8.66 centimeter. So we have completed this application of trigonometry from standard 9. So tomorrow we will start from the next topic. So goodbye.